Looking for a perfect pandesal recipe? Super lambot kahit ilang araw na. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. In a large bowl, combine 3½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 1/4 teaspoon yeast. Followed by 2 tablespoons powdered milk. Then, add 1 cup evaporated milk, 1 large egg, beaten, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, and 1/4 cup water. Lightly dust your work surface with flour. Knead until smooth and elastic. Only add flour as needed. Kneading by hand takes about 10 minutes. If you have a stand mixer, knead for about 5 minutes. Form into a ball, then transfer to a bowl with oil. Cover the bowl, then rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. Punch it down to release air pockets. Transfer the dough to a floured area, form into a log, then divide into equal pieces. Make sure to cover the remaining dough to prevent from drying. Gather all sides of a piece of dough and tuck under to form a ball, then roll on a clean surface without flour, letting the dough roll inside the palm of your hand until smooth and forms into a ball. Coat with breadcrumbs. Repeat the process on remaining dough. Arrange in pan, leaving at least ½ inch space in between. Cover and let rise again in a warm place for 30 to 45 minutes. Now bake in a preheated oven 350 F 176C for 18 to 22 minutes. Let me give you some tips. You can use your oven when rising the dough. It is by placing a pan or bowl with boiling water on the bottom rack of the oven, then place the bowl with dough on the middle rack and shut the door. This method creates a warm and moist environment for the dough. Oven must be turned off and replace the water halfway through. When kneading, do not add too much flour or else your bread will be dry and hard. See how soft this bread is? Here, we're testing the bread's texture on the 3rd day. You can add a slice of cheese, then microwave for about 15 seconds each piece. You can also use an oven toaster or bake at 350 F for about 5 to 8 minutes. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching! Recipe can be found at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.